On the main island of Honshu, in the Kanto region, is where you'll find Tokyo, the capital of Japan. In the greater Tokyo metropolitan region, there are more than 35 million people. Hello and welcome to Z. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Become one of the world's biggest and most fascinating megacities. Earthquake shaking and war squibs, this city has stood its ground for centuries. Tokyo has continuing to rise like the sun, integrating today's technology with tomorrow's. Tokyo is a stunning network of settlements. A never-ending train and subway system connects villages and cities. Like the Japanese monster from popular culture, Godzilla, first-time tourists may be intimidated by Tokyo's size and intensity. Nevertheless, despite the brightness, cacophony, and sheer crowd size, Tokyo has a zen heart that pulses in its soul. The defining characteristics of Japanese society are tradition, ceremony, and respect. This is a community that values its children, reveres its elders, and welcomes guests with respect. Tokyo has several different personas. Each time you emerge from the metro, you can get the sensation of being in a whole other city. Tokyo, however, is a very well-organized society. Everything is organized and has a purpose. Especially with regard to its communities, this is true. Start your trip to Tokyo slowly at the historic temple village of Asakusa. Pay homage to Kannon. The Buddhist goddess of mercy, at Sensoji, the city's oldest temple. A golden statue of the goddess was intended to be housed in the temple. In the 7th century, two fishermen grabbed something out of the adjacent river. Make a donation to the nearby shrine, created as a tribute to the brothers who discovered the monument, and you can also have some amazing good luck. Go to Asakusa's when you're ready to tackle Tokyo's streets. Investigate Thundergate the Nakamai's Dori, a marketplace where worshippers have long purchased food and sacred trinkets. After the throngs, go to Ueno Park to find your center. Before seeing the Tokyo National Museum's cultural riches. While tradition and conformity are two of the ties holding Japanese society together, Tokyo's young also like self-expression. And nowhere is thus more obvious than in the Harajuku neighborhood. Regarded worldwide as a hub for young fashion and culture. One of Tokyo's largest malls is located in Harajuku. Biggest outdoor areas, Park Yoyogi. On Sundays, folks congregate to unwind, practice, and generally hang around. Calling it Tokyo's happiest 134 acres. In close proximity to Yoyogi Park, through a massive torii gate and enter a grove with 100,000 trees, originated from all across Japan and were brought here as seedlings. Then last, enter Meiji Shrine through the main gates. Each year, millions of people visit this location to honor Emperor Meiji, the renowned 19th century leader who assisted Japan in shedding its feudal shackles. And develop into the vibrant nation it is today. Shibuya is located just south of Yoyogi Park. One of the busiest pedestrian crossings in the whole globe is located here. Every part of Tokyo has its own unique rhythm, and in Shibuya, shopping is the beat. Numerous massive department shops, include the old Wako store, is there for you. The main street is blocked off to traffic on Saturday and Sunday afternoons, allowing Ginza a calm, almost dreamlike mood. Ginza also has a rougher side. Make sure to visit the quaint yakitori restaurants and beer halls under the railroad arches that surround Yurakucho Station. Explore Marinucci's central commercial sector for a change of pace, whose broad, tree-lined streets and upscale boutiques give Tokyo a distinct, New York vibe. Akihabara Electric Town can make you feel perfectly at home if you enjoy anime, comics, or video games. This location really comes alive after nightfall, as suggested by its name. Go to the restaurants and bars in Shinjuku while the sky shines with neon. One of the biggest dining and entertainment districts in the city. Let Tokyo's enchanted nights melt into your mind forever by staying up late. Visit the neon forests of Tokyo after exploring them. Shinjuku Gyoen National Gardens New Day. Yoyogi Park may be dominated by Tokyo's youth, yet in these peaceful gardens, Mother Nature's beauty is celebrated. Dumplings are better than flowers, is a proverb used by the Japanese. Thus, despite the reverence accorded to nature, putting food first. Tokyo is one of the world's culinary capitals. More Michelin stars have been given to the city's restaurants than any other city. Additionally, Tokyo people don't mind waiting when the cuisine is this amazing. Visit the Tsukiji fish markets for the finest sushi and sashimi. Then get some sushi knives to take home after your lunch. When it's time to go past Tokyo's endless glass and steel canyons, take the elevator to the Tokyo Tower Observatory. Roppongi Hills offers even greater vantage points. From the Mori Tower's 52nd story, you can see all of Tokyo below you, all the way to Tokyo Bay, Mt. Fuji, and beyond. The city of Yokohama, located on the western shores of Tokyo Bay, is just a half-hour train ride away. Ride from Tokyo's downtown. When Japan initially opened its doors to foreigners, this ancient harbor served as the country's entry point. 1854 saw the West. Life here flows a little more slowly than in frenzied Tokyo, giving it the ideal where you may take a breather. Narita serves as Japan's entry point today. Most people conceive about Narita in two ways. When people think of it, they see the airport. Nevertheless, in this little city with meandering lanes, a unique view into old Japan may be found in historic temples and gardens. The Narita-san Temple, which is devoted to the Buddhist god of fire, is located along Omotesando. And don't forget to write a wish on the prayer wall before you go. Given that, regardless of your age or prefer to do things the traditional way, in Tokyo, everything has a place, and this place is waiting with you.